Let's discuss other sequential or ordered data type, that is tuple. Tuple is a collection data type. Tuple is a collection of homogeneous and heterogeneous type elements separated by comma. That means it can have same type of elements or different data type elements. Tuple can have duplicate elements, that is it can have repeated elements too. Elements in the tuple are ordered, that is each element has its own position. Boundary condition is parenthesis. Tuple is an immutable data type, that is it cannot change it once it is created. Indexing and slicing can be done on tuple. To all the ordered data types, that is string, list, tuple, for these three of them we can perform indexing and slicing. Now let us see the different ways of creating a tuple. The first way is direct assigning. Let's take example as t equals to 1, 2, 3. This is the normal way of creating a tuple. Let's console it. Here you can see the tuple of elements 1, 2, 3 is created. The next way of creating a tuple is by using class object. Let's take variable as t1. Let's take 4, 5, and 6 as elements. Let's console it. The class object for the tuple is tuple. Let's console it. Now you can see the tuple of 4, 5, 6.6 is created. Now the last way of creating a tuple, that is creating an empty tuple. It has two ways. The first way is directly using the tuple boundary condition. Let's take a equals to empty tuple. Let's console a. Now you can see the empty tuple is created. The other way of creating an empty tuple is by using class object of tuple, that is tuple. Let's take b as a variable. Let's take tuple of, let's console it, print of b. Here you can see the empty tuple is created. Major point about the tuple is, like whenever you want to create a single item tuple, you must end it with comma. Otherwise, the Python will not consider it as tuple. Let's see the example. Let's take a as a variable. Let's take 1. When you console, when you check the type of it, like print type of e, here you can see it is considering the data type as int, that is element type it's taking. It's not considering it as tuple. So in order to consider it as a tuple, you must end with it comma. Now run it. Now you can see the tuple is created. It is considered as tuple. The another interesting fact about tuple is, like normally whenever you create a variable with the multiple values or multiple elements with separated by comma, directly it will consider as tuple itself. Let's console it and see. Now you can see again it is considering as tuple. But the best way of creating a tuple is using its parenthesis.